Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see on the screen, here the data is in different cell. So what I am doing here is to merging that all data in a single cell. So there are two types of different methods. So here I am doing that. First of all, just press the equal sign, then click on to the particular cell, whichever we want to you want to merge that. Then after that press ampersand sign, then here you just give the space, then click ampersand, then again you click the next cell. Okay, see here it is merging the data. Like that you can merge the data. See, and one more method is the concatenate function. Using that function we can do the same. Concatenate, here just click on particular cell, comma, then give the space, comma, then this one, then again give the space, then is, if you want to be give some hyphen or dash, so just in between that quotation you have to put that, then enter. See here. Thank you for watching viewers. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you.